Hey guys, so today we are making fireworks in a jar. It's really easy, you only need 4 things. First we have food coloring, next we have a little bit of oil, I'm using vegetable oil. Then we have a glass filled 3/4 of the way with warm water. And finally, a spoon or a fork or something to just stir with. So to get started, we're gonna take our little bit of oil and we're gonna add whatever food color we want. I'm gonna go with a little bit of blue and red. Move this over. Add some drops. And then I'm gonna go with my red. All right, and now we're gonna take our mixing device. And we're just gonna try to break up these beads. Just kind of stir, see if you can break up some of the bigger food coloring beads into smaller ones. Just take a couple seconds, I mean, shouldn't take much time. And now, all you have to do is pour the oil into the warm water and wait for the magic to happen.